All right, guys, this is a 2022 Honda Civic Sport with a 2-liter. We're at a body shop, and the body shop just told me this was an accident pretty bad, and the original power steering rack took a lot of damage, so they put in a used rack, and they asked me to come program it. And right now, there is no power steering, electronic power steering in the vehicle, so I don't think that's a programming issue. We're going to just start off with a self-test and see. All right, so this is probably going to take forever being it's a Honda. But it's a newer one, so it's actually going faster. Got to be grateful for that. Okay, so we just skipped over the EPS, no response. Looks like we got no communication. Definitely not a programming issue if that's the case. All right, let's just take a look at the codes. FCAN malfunction. This is from our PCM. Power steering, okay. Lost communication with the steering wheel sensor. I'm pretty sure that's in the rack. Yeah, more codes related to no comm with the EPS. Okay. Let's go take a look at some diagrams. I think we're done with the scan tool for now. Okay, so we got our wiring diagram pulled up, and here is our EPS motor control. We have 4 circuits going to the FCAN. We have our ground external torque sensor, probably mounted to the rack itself. We have a 70 amp fuse, which I'm going to check right now. And this blue circuit looks like a 10 amp fuse. So let's check the 10 amp fuse and the 70. And if we click on the 70, looks like we have an interactive diagram. This is cool. This gives us the fuse right here. So this is probably the stack of fuses that Honda loves to use, but they actually give us the exact number, which is here. That is so cool. Here, another picture too. Sweet. All right, so let's go check these fuses and see what we got. All right, guys, we got the 70 amp fuse out, and this is it right here. We have a blown fuse. The reason why I started with taking the fuse out is because the body shop told me the rack was smashed so bad it was pretty much exposing all the wires, and I don't have a lift outside, so sometimes you just got to start with the fuses on top. But after we replace this, we'll have to come back and do a relearn, and hopefully they have the exact same part numbers on this used rack. If not, that may cause an issue, but we'll have to see. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.